Mayamwa Chibim and now wasem from Adom TV Badwam so Kasian and Anabrason say ye de ebrosam no edo so kakra na de otojo omubi ya wobetini International Monetary Fund mpanufo ya ne say executive board meeting bekoso na fe Ghana won ye review afa ye $600 million no a one day ebe mayen ai beba so general busumi de to so edu enkono Madina Mrashe Bejani so esusu se ensakraye enkoso wo Criminal Offence Act no emu ede no pese ebemu eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam Kasia wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 YouTube search Adom TV 2 midin ede afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT se den nsem ni chiremu ankasa etie International Monetary Fund mpanufo ayen say won ene Ghana mpanufo ebehia na sika bosia one day emaye $600 million no say won ebedia tuma na yen ntumu no 19th January ena sanhye no ebekoso yen some Joy News and as a Joy Business for one more Adom TV kase edebe
Joy Business amane bofo a wodi IMF enhyehyɛ yechi edwa sototo form no de wote ye ene se nanka nhyiamu a International Monetary Fund ene Executive Board ene Ghana ban eba abeye no watwe akọ opepon bosome de to so dunkuno we ene nhyiamu edikan kora wo bra Ghana kọ IMF kotonima bosome ni mu afempinu ne aduonum yensemu nenso de amane bofo ete ase ene se enye ohaw bi ye wo Ghana munti ena san nhyiamu yi amaso na emom Executive Directors a woda board no ano na epemre sebeya enkrata Ghana edebeto IMF anim no watimi ahwemu yi eduedue no yete se wo mu hia enafua miensa ene de ayesa ahwehwemu no a enhyiemu ananka wo se baso opepon bo so me de toso dunwatwe no entibi maso a wode akohye opepon bo so me de toso dunkuno ye beboa ama enkrata ne mu hwehwemu ene de wo se wo nyina no watimi ayansa na one Ghana aban ababehia
Madina Mrashe Bejani ye Francis Sasu ene wo de adwene bia basanke be yan sakraye nkoso wo Criminal Offences Act no emu na yemfa community service eyo offences en so emmehemu na entumi emu ani nyina so Adom TV kase edeba
20th December twemu 2023 ena mede emrafofo bi ekoto parliament anim si na ke be yenhwe na ke be ya yemfa community sentence and a bond of good behavior yemfanka punishment I wo ho edema near petty crimes and say misdemeanors and now by offenses nemo ye wo capital offenses and ye wo felonies ye ka felonies are your to say bonibia ekwa anima ye frɛ your first degree felony second degree felony answer ye wo felonies implicita and ye wo misdemeanors na misdemeanors no any near friend or petty offenses say to say bonia nkofudi a enye ade a ekọ nanim to say first degree felonies ni second degree felonies no for example your be a friend is say drumming with an intent to challenge with an intent to insult say be obibo twene say wodi ye will be and say your one your friend allows your house to be used for drumming and as unlawful removal of postal postal stamp indecency your small offenses bebre or honomo a ni nyina no ye gise de ukoto prison ana say ye fine o obekọ ye nkura say especially mo say obi akwa wi akokọ ba ko ana obi akwa wi abanchi obi akwa wi ye friend say body na say nipa no ye de na akoto prison ana say yama ni fine when timi ntua fine na ene ye de no akoto prison na emra we ya di ba na ye hwese se nyame ya adom na parliament meji sa amendment we di tumu a ene sa offenses nyina no ye be wo community service se ni pa no ye be hwese wonko community nim na wonko ye adwuma boa community no ana se wo be sign bond se boni a wodi ye no wonye bie for example we offense rioting ana say habitual drunkenness ni nyama say yesi obi ebo nsadodo ana say obi edi basabasa ye eba community num o man sani bond of good behavior ebe ye say wo de no kwakoto prison na wo hwe ene amene wo ka say prison ye na say fan pa be say 9,000 no ipadudu go prison e be 13,000 ni kire say ye prisons na kasakra na very congested enunti na ehia says sa community sentencing bill we no na me Badwam parliament ni biara anase MP biara be gi atom se ne be ya be pass na aba be ye law e wo Ghana.
Mayento akasia no so na yonkonsam foforo mu na Volta Regional House of Chiefs na nanomo edi ya wo mu ni nyina no se wo mu hunu se aban nyapade bi wo honom a enempanifo bi fa efom no ade ha wono agenti won vice president na ede ensam no ato edwabra wogina won nyina na mu na NDC mpanifo ba wo mu na so no wo kire sese nkunimde ye wo mu ye 2024 no emu a won hwere sese su ne ne ye no ebetwa framantam.
People are mismanaging our resources for their own benefit. The masses are suffering. Let the laws work to put a stop to the looting. Let's put a stop to business as usual, where, if you are able to lay your hands on some few million cedis, you can go scot-free. It must come to a stop so that our people can stay in this country and build a vibrant economy.
And wechi osan ka do to aso se ade ba ko eda nanom akoma so opese amanyuko yi hweka eye wono mu a obo wondi ma wo ye aban adwuma eye ayonko faso na emum enye se wonim de ewo adwuma wode ma wono ma yenim nti ene wo frɛ wo mo no kane mampanyi John Dramani Mahama eba won hye no won kase be ye omanfo nso ehu beto wo mo.
We would like to appeal to you that when you assume power, appointments to public offices should not be on friendship, families, or whatever. It should rather be on merit and honesty. You have been there before, and you know what we are talking about.
NDC amanyoko no esa bayaba ebite so no ne ade ye ka banya wabo homoden pa wo framantam a na ye NDC amanyoko no ene nipa bia sem a wo mo ka se wo munyamfaso bia e wo ho no ena nam sama NDC mpenifo de anu yeyi aba won franka tuni John Dramani Mahama echeche niema hodo a wo ma ye e wo framantam.
NDC has brought the greatest development to Volta region than any other party in existence. Anytime NDC has been in office, we have extended electric power to many communities. Many communities would not have had power but for the NDC administration. We've built small town water systems in many communities in the Volta region to give them clean drinking water. We've rehabilitated more roads and done more kilometers of roads in the Volta region than any other government in the history of Ghana. We've expanded telecommunications in the Volta region than any other government. And as I was saying to the standing committee, Volta region has the longest piece of the fiber network that we laid. 700 kilometers of fiber from Greater Accra to Upper East. The longest part of it runs through the Volta region for high-speed data transmission.
And wechi okade to aso sa manyoko na ni so echitaye aframantemufo editai wonum echi abrebio ma wohu se ampa odo womo esenti edimpuntuo ene nkankonso ebeba na wogidi yese NDC amanyoko ne bedi nkonim afempiru ne adunu nan yi abatomo.
We built markets in many communities in the Volta region, including in Ho. The new Ho market was built by us. We built an airport, even though it's underutilized at the moment. I will tell you some of the ideas we have for that airport. We built a public university from the scratch, the University of Health and Allied Sciences. The Volta region had no university, no public university. And it was during the NDC that we built UHAS, and we have intention We have intention of expanding the facilities in OHAS so that it can admit even more students to come and learn here in the Volta region.
Nananom enekwemma de se osha osudoku na ene won afi won se a kire ndisi amanyukuo no se won ato aba ma won abe mfi aduasene nenso won mu hu hwe eba no mpuntuo nom ne ade onyina so anu Adom TV kase edin komoyi.
Shai Osudoku is not happy, and all the people in Shai Osudoku, especially the traditional leaders, are sitting on the timing bomb. We are not happy. Somebody will ask why. Nothing is going on in Shai Osudoku. Shai Osudoku has voted for NDC for so many years. Since 1992, Shai Osudoku has never changed from NDC as MP to any other party, but nothing is going on. So we are saying to the MP, this time, if they don't take care, things will turn out or things will change. The roads in Shai Osudoku is very, especially Osudoku traditional area.
And wachi divisional mankrado Emma Osudoku Paramonsi na netetewa ya wodikan and so the to us say.
Past 4 years or so, 8 years, we've not even met here before as a traditional authority. You can imagine the distance between our MP and the traditional authority and the community. It is contributing about 200% of the underdevelopment that we are having in our community. If you don't meet your MP, how would the MP know your challenges?
No krakra no oba hema na namponsa dokuya ya otoso miensa esaka de twato se so man mo mpanyimfo anhwe afam puntu ambre wo modia ene bombo ho modin ase etwaba to brenso so a onfa ballot box bia ensi honom.
Either we will not vote at all. We will not allow any ballot box to enter Osudoku traditional area. We will leave Shai. But Osudoku traditional area, we may not allow even ballot box to enter there. People will not come out to vote.
NDC serial caller Franco Akuapia at Dodona Frenapia Stadium and at the Kokoboma Party Mano Semema and Ye Womutirimode. Sakiana ki womadi nkunum wo se nkunum die na mo makwan mu die ma eno nhye wo mu onya ne a wo betumi bia se de be ye nkunum die ne ba bunza babum oni Adom TV kase atwaso
it is a trauma say ya woni awie utie ahokyere petrol na ye 80 akufo de duru 80 Ghana se dollar wonti me nkyere ne ahokyere abrada paisika $5 million wa fa akodie eka Omatwa sika abra emfa parliament sika omudi ne bebe nyina na yese ya woni awia general said nketia wo ye general chairman se ye di enkofo enu agro eni anda woni ya adwen se adekwe mensa de oni mpa ye bomo mimi baby aminim meko ade a enye so batwituo ne sikan
Odi afutuo ne kokoba ma kusasi adehye se wo mana wawo wo mo no wo mo ne won kasa won kromu kasa no se be ya wonyira wonchi emunchire mu Adom TV etwaso.
Very suicidal for many of our people who have found themselves either in the foreign land or in the southern part of this country, think that they have either because of migration they are now part of those communities and have abandoned their own culture. That is too suicidal. That is very bad. We must go back, like I said, go back to our root. Where is our root? We have names that were depicting where we are coming from. We must go back for those names. We have names that we have practices, we have activities that were depicting our origin. We must go back for those things. An example is our language. We even have many of our people who have forgotten the Kusan language. That is too suicidal. Very bad, and it is totally not acceptable. When we go down south, we are forced to learn Twi. We are forced to learn other languages just because we want to associate ourselves with them. It is not enough for you to have, because of those languages, you forget your own language and then you begin to speak a foreign language or you associate yourself with foreigners. Look, it is very bad. Our people have a saying that you don't point to your origin with the left hand.
Enwechi ena kanema nsini krache ya Woboko West Suli Agolisi enso etu mabunofo ewo amamre ne amane eho.
I'm saying that we should endeavor to have regular meetings and train the youth to imbibe the positive teachings of our people. If you lose your roots, you have lost everything in life. Your roots will form your identity. And so I'm re-echoing the need for us not to bend the bushes, but also to stop cutting trees unnecessarily. Because the more desertification situation we have, the worse will be now and in the future.
A driver for boss mensin mo says and penny for mama me boa womo na womo gatas ne mu asitwom no ye nto ase dia na ye nyem free mu dia awie bi be unity e wo ho ya ma no bofo bo pro e ko oboase husi park lorry terminal ho e ko hwe gatas ne mu nyina ye ma na no mo suro sese ye ntu ho na mo sese ye ntutu mu a wa ya awie bi be unity ano be din adom kase e to so
Gota ni nyina mo aye choke e fi nko a omo prapra no kra ntimi me prapra edwadifo no e hye da didwa no omo nso ni bebi omo betu bola na egu no se ye beje omo kakra ni nti bo nse omo abeje egu street na da wona ye fam no e ba se haye nipa na ye contract na waje ejuma wo ye ni se ka be wurem a wo beje ni tekti ye se ye the contract ni ma no nti obi a wo ye contractor u ye wurem a wo ji ye sika de so obo modern ne fin bia e wa ha bia wuyi ma yen nanso no enkoso sa obe na gota ni mu a choko ye fin de e ha ye wa ha pa me ye nya mframa papa nipa tire mu de ye ejuma enye nipa nkwa ne hia ne yesika na ne hia no
ye gota ni e fin ho asem ya wo kan nyame anim ni e hia mo apa yen davers na ye wa ha dum sei no edura no pa ahoma chen ya bla ba ha de yen davers na ye ne ye prapro ye pra ne de agu ya buano check ti na omoji an de nyame anim ye hu faso bia wo so ye hu faso bia even sisi a wu twam sisi a me rodu wie na se me ba besna kwa ye baji me sister cities so I'm telling you it is a dia na ye je sa take it no faso be na ye nya free so because ye nya mo bia free a efin so ba ye ne aso na ye sa pra na ye se faso bia ni so so mbaji ye sa ska no MC environmental officer omu nyina mra omu kamom na omu mo sanitation no ntumi nya adwuma
yeti timemfo no befo ka ne bi eni nkomo ne emisa won se
efiwa di e ba ye ne nkurasefo nye ba bi ne yatana ye gina eti ha no ye sra man se ban mo ye na ahanso mo prapra ha ma ye fiza gata ne mu ye prapra mu gata mu fin sa e ba di ne mesi an ma ye ne ha ye
efin sem ne de nye se papa wu kan yu entonton ba no be ko fichire baby aye fin papa ko hwe gata ne mu e wotu ho gina ho kwa na etu force kwa na bibi ya ayo wu hu de won yo ahanso na ka lodu se akomodo wa ha na bi obeto nsu anu ha na bi obeto edwane di enso nam se fi ni wo ho no no edwane ni di kwa nya wo de enti e be sila aban se zoom lion no sa atekwa a on sa ma omomre bi ko omo na sisi okuro no mu enam sa ketua no so e bia na ketua no so ka ho enam a zoom lion fo no muntumi nya adwuma biom yale na be ko so sa hunidi amba yale na beba sa hunidi ba yale beba because zoom lion fo ne ba na hunidi ba na zoom lion fo na ba be de na hunidi atumi aba enti e be sila aban sa won mwaye na boase man mu de efini doso
adehye ya womo awutu akrampa top city ewa wutu senya west mensimu won finfin mantem esre won panifo se womra na bridge bia de womokọ akrampa top city ene awutu breku no enye panifo mesiesie emfama won
mo kenya examine kase yala nimde yempemfo beti no aboboy special info ni enya akrampa info breku info ne DCs ne MPs ni ho mo nyina no boto aboboy yesra ho adesade yesre sabi enokware do bia nhyen yesu yenwo hawa o community mu ene yesu yeye ndi yesra ho osoboso yasim ne ntumi ye kwan bo ndaze kwan na ni na mo fra wo fi ye krasia akrampa wo basi ku school na adwumayefo wo free wenya abegigi asase wa ye ti anyina so no yesu nya kwan nsutwa nya kwan tumi afem na nsu ntointi na enyina etu ebegina ese sutwa enyina yentum gina obi anya obetu aben aha no be 100 meters mpo because no ira akosoro nyinara akufa ha nyinara na kire yenyina ye holidays is why betwa ne bobo issue na etumetwa
enwachi omanfo bi nso ene adom kase atwetwe nkomo ede wo hawo a sansuo yi ede bre wo mo atudwa
yehia mwa efri ye MP eye Gizela Tete ene ye DC Honorable Joseph Edu ene omo a omo nsem obie ankra mo nyina momra na momeboa yen na ekwan yi enkora omo fa kwan yi so ye manom ye nuanom ene ade ka nkoma ebi nkona bi aba yesrem kwan no asai kura
yesrem penifo ye de enim se ye ka mutia mutum beye emaye nti we de ye hwemu enim mombeboa ye na bridge se nyame Adom ne yetumi ya aside bia o se ye de mamo no so ye de mamo na ahye Nyankopɔn enim nya ye nim se mutumi aye di ye twemu mpenifo a munsem wobi mombeboa ye nti ye hwemu enim ye damase
Mami nyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay media si aseda bebre nkomma omre no wadaje erade mfa nkomra somdwem de adu so no de obonkrata no aye krado ene online stories no nti ye nchekra sima ba mienu miensa bi ni asaba na afa ye de atoso